Hey guys, I got a story to tell you. Alright, so I have been going kind of crazy with Whatnot. I have had 6 shows in the last 5 days. I actually have a show tonight. Filming this video on Monday, July 18th. I have a show tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern time. It's an activewear show. Lululemon, tons of Lululemon. So this will be my 7th show in 6 days, which is crazy. But last night, let's talk about last night. So I did a show, it was yesterday afternoon. And you know, things were going great. And then I saw a name pop up in the chat. Who do you think came to my live show? Nicole State. Nicole State came into my live show. At first I saw her name, I'm like, okay, what the fuck's going on? She said, I don't remember exactly what she said. She only said like a few things, but she was super nice. She pretended that she didn't know who I was. Like, I do not believe for one fucking second that she doesn't know who I am. All of the videos I've made about her, one of my videos has 30,000 views. There's no way she doesn't know who I am. There's no fucking way. So yeah, she came into my live show. She was super nice. She actually bought something from me and then peaced out. One of her friends was also in my show. I'm not gonna name her name because like I have really no issues with her. Like I'm not gonna like drag her into this, but just know that one of her friends who's never been to one of my shows, I don't think, was in the chat. There's no way it was a coincidence that both of them were there. I feel like it was a setup, like a mean girl type thing. Like, oh, let's go into her live show and let's be super nice and see how she reacts. Because it's just, there's no way. There's no way. And I know exactly what's gonna happen. Mark my words. Nicole's gonna claim, oh, I don't know who she is. I was just going into her show and being nice. She's gonna play the victim card, as always, as always. That's exactly what's gonna happen. She's gonna claim she doesn't know who I am. I've had one of her family members contact me. There's no way that her family knows about me, but she doesn't. There's just no way. It was a trick. I don't know. So I'm canceling her order. I'm not sending her shit. I don't care. Like, and I know like people will be like, oh, well, she was nice to you. She bought something for you. I don't give a shit. I don't care if she's nice to me. Just because she was nice to me and bought something to me doesn't negate all the shit that she's done in her past. Doesn't mean I'll be like, oh, okay, you were nice to me. I'll just forget all the shit that you've done, all the scams that you've done. Doesn't work like that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that that was crazy. I really, really wanted to be like, what the fuck? Why are you in here? But I feel like that's what she wanted. I feel like she wanted drama to start. There were a couple of you guys that were like, what the fuck? Why the fuck's Nicole State in here? One of you guys was like, I fucking hate Nicole State. And then her little friend was like, what do you mean? She's like, why? This is the first time I've seen someone be negative on this app. And it's like, if her friend is oblivious to the shit that Nicole's done, then, I mean, that's insane. But they were only negative because your little scamming friend was in there. That's the reason why. Like, I don't know, they caught me off guard and I feel like that was their plan and they wanted me to like react and be like, what the fuck, and start drama, but I wasn't gonna do that. I didn't do that. I wanted to do that. I wanted to be like, get the fuck out of here, but I didn't do that. But yeah, it was just really weird. And like I said, I know 1,000,000% she's gonna play the victim game and be like, I don't even know who Vanessa is. And there's just no way. There's just no way because of my videos, and a bunch of you guys have told me that you've messaged her about my videos. There's just no way that she doesn't know who I am. There's no way. So yeah, that happened. I'm definitely blocking her on there because I don't want her in any of my shows again. Like I just don't want that. I don't want that. Like I don't care if you're gonna be fake and be super nice to me and buy something for me. I don't want that shit. I don't play games. I don't play games like that. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about that situation. I posted this on Instagram and a couple of you guys were like, no, don't cancel the sale. You should just take her money. You know, she bought something from you. And it's like, it was like $5, first of all. And no, I feel like there's some other motive and I just don't trust her. I do not trust her. So I want nothing to do with her. Once again, guys, mark my word, she's going to play the victim card and she's going to be like, oh, I was just being nice. Or I don't even know what bullshit she's going to say, but I guarantee you 1,000,000% she's gonna deny knowing who I am, which is bullshit. It's bullshit. It's just very sketchy and I don't trust either of them, really. I mean, her friend, if you're really oblivious to the shit that she's done, like that's really crazy. It really is. And if you're not oblivious and you're okay with the shit she's done and you're still friends, like that's even fucking crazier. I'm gonna go now. Like I said, I had to get on here and tell you guys what happened. It was like, I'm still just like, what the fuck? Like, grow up. Anyway, if you guys want to come to my show tonight, I will have a link down below. Again, it's an activewear show. I have a lot of Lululemon stuff. I have other brands like Outdoor Voices, Aloe. I have a bunch of Nike stuff, Victoria's Secret. It's gonna be a fun show. Tonight, July 18th at 7 o'clock Eastern time, and I'm just gonna end it here. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.